teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again. We're taking all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of...
Guys, this is by far the mildest winter since I've been here in Canada. Guys, it's now the ending of January, pretty much 2 days to go in January, and there's no snow on the ground in Grand Prairie. That's amazing. I don't know if I should be scared or if I should be happy, if it's a sign of global warming or if it's just the season. But nonetheless, guys, it's lunchtime. I'm going to grab Malia from day home, Malika from school. It's been a while since I take you guys on an afternoon drive, so come along, guys. We're here in Grand Prairie, by the way, Alberta. Smash a like on the video if you haven't done so already. Subscribe to the channel and drop a comment. Let me know what the weather is like in your city.
Loving you has made me realize I'm so tired of love songs. Life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them makes sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs. Sick and tired of love songs. Even when my teardrops start to dry, and even when the sun begins to shine again, I've taken all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you.
All picked up from school, guys. If you guys are new here, my name is Dems. I'm a Jamaican who migrated to Canada back in 2019 as an international student, and I came with my 2-year-old daughter, now 6-year-old Malika Jade, who is diagnosed autistic, non-verbal, right? So Malika is non-verbal autistic, and she depends on us, her family, and her support staff at school to fulfill her daily functions. Now, guys, Malika is the reasons why we migrate. If you guys don't know our story, go and check it out on our previous videos. We are from the country of Jamaica. Malika was born in Jamaica. One of the reasons why we decided to migrate to Canada was to give Malika a better life, right? The thought of growing her in Jamaica terrified us, so we made a bold decision to migrate to this city called Grand Prairie, Alberta, all in an effort to give her a better life, right? So Malika is now 6 years old and she's in grade 1. She goes to the public school here in Grand Prairie, and she has an educational assistant. So Malika has her own curriculum geared towards helping her to reach and achieve her own goals rather than the curriculum of everybody else, right? So it's tailored curriculum to make sure that she's self-actualizing, reaching her full potential. And that's something that we're really grateful for. Now, the hours of the school, she goes to school full-time, by the way. She gets there at 8:25 in the morning, and school ends at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Now, that's what it is for elementary. Elementary, usually grade 1 up to grade 6. Now, some kindergartens here in Grand Prairie is either a couple days per week or half day for every day. So when she was in kindergarten at 5 years old, 4-year-old and 5 years old, it was just half of the day. 11 o'clock to 2 o'clock or 8:30 to 11 o'clock, depending on the school, right? So that's just a little quick background of who we are and why we decided to migrate to Canada, all right? And as I said before, we're in the city of Grand Prairie, Alberta. Now, what am I doing now? I'm going to grab her sister from day home, who is Malika's sister, Malia, who is 2 years old, who was born here in Canada and not autistic, very verbal. She's at day home right now. I'm just going to grab her from day home, then go and grab her mother, and then bring them at the yard, and then go back to work. All right, guys? Subscribe to the Andersons family if you haven't already subscribed. Really helps us out. If you're watching the videos, and if you have always been here, or you're not yet subscribed, guys, please take a second, and subscribe. It really helps me out. Smash a like on the video as well, guys, and drop a comment. Don't just watch the videos. Don't just watch the videos, guys, and leave it at that, right? Smash a like on the videos when you watch it, because it really helps out the channel. And drop a comment as well, if it's even to let me know where you're watching from, guys. That also really helps me out. All right, so do all those things from me, which is totally free and takes literally only a second. All right, so let's get that done, guys. Let's go and pick up Malia from their home.
Another rainy afternoon, I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house, I'm just wasted on the couch, 'cause I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stay.
Guys, it's such a beautiful day. It feels like
Stayed
spring.
here right with me. I can't shake that feeling
She's gonna be so excited
that
to
we
see me because
said
I'm a little bit earlier today
goodbye
than usual.
too soon.
Let's see what Malia's reaction. Alright, guys. I'm early today. Malia Che.
I know the hour's getting late. I shouldn't sit here and contemplate. I just can't stop thinking about us.
Hi, Cassie.
I won't forget
I like
a
your
single
dress, buddy.
thing, from drunken nights to Sunday
You like
morning,
your dress?
and how you smile at
Such a
me.
beautiful dress.
Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we
Hi,
said.
guys. Say, my name is Malia. You're not saying that? Are you ready to go? How was your day today? Had fun? Dance today? Did dancing? Okay, careful of the ice. Okay, say bye. Guys, picked up the boat girls. Now we're going to get their mother. Now you guys may be wondering, you're going to get mommy? Yeah. You guys may be saying that, where do I find the time to do all of this throughout the day, right? I work full-time. As you guys know, we have a business that we do as well, but I'm also a full-time father. I'm not a part-time father, I'm a full-time father. So because of that, I'm highly involved, right? Every single day, present, right? So you make time for what's important. That's what I would say. Now, I love doing it. I love seeing the look on Malika's and Malia's face when them see me in the evening time and stuff like that. That's what makes my day personally. So even though there's other options, like for example, Nat's been driving, she can come and get them sometimes maybe, but I love doing it. So that's something that I really value. And since they're small, I've been doing it. So it's just to get that bond. You understand? This is all like a reasoning time. But anyways, we're gonna go and grab their mother right now, and then we can talk some more. See you guys in the next shot. What, going good? Mm-hmm. How was work?
Good.
Good. That is over?
Yep.
I still got an hour remaining in my day. Look who the cat dragged in, literally.
Wow.
That's in the building.
Bad hair day.
Bad hair day? That's okay. We have those sometimes.
Yep.
So you guys hear me talk a lot about day home, right? But do you guys really know what it is? Now, a day home is really a childcare facility, registered as well, that operates out of somebody's house. Now, a day home provider has to have like a maximum of like 6 kids. So we prefer day home to daycare because we have an autistic child, and it's better to have that smaller group where it's easily more managed than in a bigger group. So that's why we chose day home. But at first we were really kind of like really scared of sending our children to like somebody's home, because we have heard the horror stories, we have seen the horror story. Malika, you good? Well, like that.
Sleep, she's sleeping.
I sleep, sure that sleep. Malika. Malika, she's sleeping? She's sleeping? Okay. Yeah. So we were really terrified at first to send our kids to a day home, because we've seen the stories, we've heard the stories, but I don't know. It's great.
It is great.
We
have a good day home person. She's nice.
We always. This is not our first day home provider. This is our second day home provider, right? And we always seem to just get
the right ones.
Because you have to do your interviews with them, you have to go to the homes, you have to look in there, stuff like that, to make sure that you are comfortable with them first. So that's what we did, and we actually went to somebody's house. We were gonna go with them, but then a vibe said, nobody work with them. So because of that, we ended up changing the day one provider at that time to who we have right now, and it's been a good experience. So if you guys are coming to Canada and you have kids, and you're in our situation where you probably have a child with special needs, or you just want that more one-on-one attention, a day home is not so bad, but make sure that you are
doing your due diligence.
Exactly, that you are doing what you're supposed to be doing. Don't just left things and just let it be. You have to keep following up, keep checking in, stuff like that. Now, at day home, they provide lunch, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, right? So you don't even have to send your child with dinner. You don't even have to send a child with food, unless like Malika who drink Pediasure, or if you have a baby who drink special formula. But for food and stuff like that, they are responsible for food and all of that thing. And as I said, in Alberta, even as a temporary resident, you can get childcare subsidy, which really offset the cost of childcare in Alberta. Now, I don't know about the other provinces. Probably it's possible. Drop in the comment section and let us know. But I am sure about Alberta, another tick in the right direction for Alberta, by the way, that even on a study permit or on a work permit, you are eligible for childcare subsidy. So that is something that is really, really good, and it offset the cost of that. What is it?
I'm out. Leave her. No, you're going to change her now, she's head going to drop. So you're going to drop forward.
So she dropped backwards. Malika is tired from school, guys. Yeah, Malika is tired from school. That's not wake her up.
That is good. Routine.
That is good?
Kids. Yeah, go to school, tired, come home, sleep.
Sleep until as soon as she reaches home, she wake up. That's how it is. Anyways, guys, let me know what you prefer, a day home or daycare. Drop it in the comment section, alright? Yes, guys, so let's just end the video right here. Went back to work, left work, went to Walmart, grabbed some Pediasure as you guys saw. Came home, that's in the background cleaning. Malika, say hi. When you saw her last, she was fast asleep with her mouth wide open like she had catch water. And Molly and Zuri somewhere about the place. That's not over there sweeping. Malia, say hi. Zuri, say hi.
Hi.
I haven't seen you in a while, Zuri. Are you okay?
Yes.
Yes? Malia, are you okay too? Babes are good? Cleaning. Yeah, I move like an episode of your trunk, sir. You're not hearing an idea? Yeah? What that answer? Yes, guys, so we'll just end the video right here, guys. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Smash a like if you haven't done so already. And you know the drill. Leave a comment. Malika is here to say hi. Are you gonna say hi, Malika? Are you gonna say hi? Yes, guys, see you in the next video. Peace out.